Hello friends, this question is from R.D. Sharma, exercise number 12.1, question number 46. From the top of 50-meter high tower, the angle of depression of the top and bottom of a pole are observed to be 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the pole. इस क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग है कि एक 50 मीटर हाई टावर है, उस टावर के टॉप से हमने टॉप ऑफ द पोल एंड टॉप बॉटम ऑफ द पोल को ऑब्जर्व किया तो एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन बनता है 45 डिग्री एंड 60 डिग्री। यहाँ हमें पता चलना चाहिए कि बोथ द टाइम्स मीन्स जब टावर के टॉप से हम टॉप ऑफ द पोल को ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं तब भी एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन बनता है, और टॉप ऑफ द टावर से बेस ऑफ द पोल को ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं, बॉटम ऑफ द पोल को ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं तभी भी एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन बनता है। यानी हियर पोल इज शॉर्टर देन द टावर। देन एट फर्स्ट ड्रॉ द फिगर। ए बी इज अ हाइट ऑफ टावर, ए बी इज अ 50 मीटर। सी डी इज अ हाइट ऑफ पोल। Observer is at point A. He is observing from A to the point C and point D. Both times angle of depression will be formed. So draw the horizontal lines at first. Here the AE and CF are the horizontal lines. Observer is observing from A to the point C and making an angle of depression EAC equals to 45 degree. Angle EAC equals to angle ACF is equals to 45 degree. Then observer observing from A to the point D and making an angle of depression EAD that is equals to 60 degree. Angle EAD equals to angle ADB that is equals to 60 degree. Reason alternate angles. In the figure, quadrilateral BDCF is a rectangle. If segment CD is equals to X, then segment BF is equals to also X. Reason opposite sides of rectangle. Hole AB is a 50 meter, out of BF is a X, so AF is equals to 50 minus X. Also segment CF is equals to BD, reason opposite sides of rectangle. Then select the two right angled triangles. One is triangle ABD and another one is triangle AFC. In the triangle ABD, we know angle D which is a 60 degree. We also know opposite side of 60 degree. We have to find adjacent side. Then ratio related to the opposite and adjacent is a tan. Then using tan 60 degree that is equals to opposite side is a AB upon adjacent side is a BD. Then tan 60 for root 3 upon 1 that is equals to AB for 50 upon BD for BD. Then do the cross multiplication, root 3 into BD that is equals to 50. So the BD is equals to 50 by root 3. Do the rationalization of the denominator. Numerator and denominator are multiplying by the root 3. Then BD is equals to 50 into root 3 by 3 means BD is equals to 50 into 1.732 upon 3. BD is equals to 5 into 17.32 by 3. Then do the simple multiplication. BD equals to 86.60 by 3. Then BD equals to 3 2s are 6. 28.86 that is in meter. So the BD is equals to 28.86 meters. In the triangle AFC, we know angle C 45, we know opposite of 45 is AF, we have to find CF. Then ratio related to opposite and adjacent is a tan. Tan angle 45 degree equals to opposite side of 45 is a AF and adjacent side of 45 is a CF. We know tan 45 means 1 upon 1. AF for 50 minus x upon CF. Then do cross multiplication. CF is equals to 50 minus x. Here BD is equals to 28 minus 86 is a 1 and CF equals to 50 minus x is a 2. The conclusion from 1 and 2. We know that here the BD and CF are opposite sides of each other of a rectangle. So BD is equals to CF. Put out the value. BD for 28.86 equals to 50 minus x. Minus x is transpose x. 50 means 50.00 minus 28.86. Do the simple subtraction. X is equals to 21.14 and we know that x means CD. CD is a height of pole. Therefore, height of a pole is x is equals to 21.14, that is in meter. So it is the last answer of this question. Thank you friends.